Hi, it's me again, the Melody Vlog. So for today's vlog, we're going to challenge ourselves by cooking this dish. This is called bacon cheese macaroni. This is a non-baked macaroni, that the usual baked macaroni. So you have to fry the bacon till it's golden brown. And after that, you set aside. So after that, you can put a butter. This is unsalted butter, but you can use the salted one. So, and put some all-purpose flour. Yeah, my honey bunch always challenged me like I never cook in our house, as he told me that I'm going to cook for him once in a while. So I tried this dish. I don't know why they love macaroni so much, but it's so heavy to your tummy. Put fresh milk or whole milk. I use the fresh milk, of course. So then you put pepper and salt. So back to my story, yeah. He's going to practice me how to cook US food. Because if it's not, he's going to cook my favorite adobo, which is a chicken feet adobo, a chicken head adobo, but a jack cheese. This is a Monterey jack cheese. This is hard to find in our supermarket. My gosh. But yeah, it's now here. Then put the mozzarella and the cheddar cheese and simmer it until it's thickened. Yeah, if I didn't know how to cook American food, he will eat my adobo. Our Filipinos love adobo, right? We can eat that every single day. I can cook adobo even if it's not, don't have soy sauce like that, and a chili adobo. Then put the macaroni noodles and stir again. I love adobo very much. He kinda like it, but he said he will not eat that every time. So if you like macaroni so much, you will love this dish, because it's so yummy. You can put the bacon bits on the top for your toppings, and voila, you will enjoy this dish with no oven. They always bullies me that I don't know how to use an oven. We have an oven, but I didn't use that because it's not mine. I can use a microwave. Right, honey? So this is the finished product of my bacon and cheese macaroni. Looks so delicious. So you will try this too. If you like, just watch this video. And you can share my video, of course. So yummy. Honey, you love this. So this is my finished product. My mom and my dad loves it. Yes, this is Melody Vlog. See you for my next cooking video. Bye!